Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to hashtag Essence of Time, which is hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts on YouTube and Instagram. And this is a 100-day project where you have 10 minutes to craft something and see what you can come up with. So today is going to be a cheat day. I guess you could call it a cheat day or just an easy day. And basically, I'm just going to take some scrap papers, and some of it's from like packaging, and then these are just like scraps, and then just like leftover papers from other projects, book pages, like coffee dyed paper, you know, just different colors and different patterns and stuff like that. Here's a vintage newspaper. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to make some shapes. I'm going to do similar to how Vera did on one of her videos. Some of these I'm just going to make some well-tailed tabs. Oh, let me start my timer for 10 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna make some tabs, and I'm probably going to put some of them in here for now, but eventually, I'm currently making a ephemera storage for my, it's for the hashtag how do you do art, and I'm going to be putting some ephemera in here. So I figure in 10 minutes, I'm just going to see what all I can do, because I like to have like different shapes and stuff, because I'm going to be sorting these out later on. These are some of the ones that I had made from Brenda of Be Last Works. She had given us a digital, and anyway, let me get back to this right here. So I'm just going to be making some different shapes that I'm just going to be adding in here, and then I'll sort through them, and I'll be putting them in my ephemera storage holder. And I like to already have stuff made, because for me, it's easier to kind of have stuff already available to kind of sort through. So you can kind of just do it and get with your project. So I'm going to be using different colors, different patterns, different stuff. Now this one, it might cut. Let's see. I think it's going to be too thick. Yeah, it's going to be too thick. So we're not going to use that. If that one's too thick, then this is probably going to be too thick too. Oh, no. Oh, cool. It actually works. So with these, I'm going to make some reinforcements. And I've seen people do it like this. They just take like a little, I think this is like a 1/2 inch, a little over a 1/2 inch circle punch. And then basically you just take your hole puncher and try to get it in the center. You want to try to center it as best you can, and then you have yourself a reinforcement, you know. And you can make them with different colors and stuff like that, you know. So, but like I said, I want to try to get a stash of stuff made of. Oh, that's not centered. But it's okay. I can live with it because it's mine anyway. So, but yeah. These come in handy, so instead of having to go to the store and buy them, you can already have some made up, you know, just using different colors and whatnot, you know. Because if you're like me, you like to, I just like to have a lot of stuff already ready. Since I'm so indecisive, I don't know if that helps or hinders by having a whole lot of things to choose from. But the good thing is you can make these your own self, and it doesn't really take long. So you can just, you know, get your own ephemera using what you already have. You don't have to go out and buy a whole lot unless you want to, but I mean, I'm trying to put myself on a little budget. I'm trying. But yeah, because I don't need to, I'm putting myself on a spending freeze as of this week is what I'm telling myself. So I know some people have lives and they have nice little supplies and things like that. And every time, does this happen to you? I just want to know. I just had a coworker who sent me a link to oh, what's it called? Workout or no, something out. I'll think of the name of it and I'll put it up in the description. And I just told myself I'm not spending any more money, right? Well, she sends me this link and I'm just like, I don't know. So I click on it and I'm like, well, I'll just sign up just cause, you know, cause she just wants, I guess she just wants me to just sign up for it. Anyway, so I did it. And lo and behold, I didn't order anything. But they've got some really neat things in there. They have like live sales. I've never heard of this app before, but I wish I could think of the name of it at the moment. You guys have probably already heard of it. I'm late in the game finding out stuff and titles and things. But anyway, they have like super cute, neat little it's like live sales. You can choose it's kind of like Pinterest and TikTok, but it's more like, it's just, they have sales and they have auctions and things like that. Today was the first time I ever been introduced to it, but it's really neat. But I was like, I just told myself I'm not ordering anything. I'm not getting anything else. But does that ever happen to you when you say you're not going to do something? That's when you get all kinds of very interesting invitations. Like, kind of like if you say you're going to go on a diet and then someone's having a party or someone's invited you or brought you something sweet to eat to work. And you're like, oh, great. I was supposed to not be eating this stuff. I'm trying to stay away from it. Does that ever happen to you? Happens to me all the time. But, yeah, you just have to learn to say no. Just say no. Unless you want to say yes. But I'm just going to look, but I'm not going to buy anything because I probably shouldn't look. Because I know I'm just going to probably fall for it. I'm such a sucker. When it comes to craft supplies, because I'll go in the Hobby Lobby or wherever, and I'll say, I'm just looking, I'm just seeing what they have. You know, I'll go in there to get some glue, and next thing I know, I've got glue and maybe glue and everything else that I don't need. And I might even forget to get the glue because I got sidetracked and got something else. You guys ever do that? I used to do that. I don't do that as much anymore because everything costs so much. I can't afford to. So I have to I don't really have a choice but to kind of chill. You know what I mean? But yeah. But anyway, back to the crafts. This is a fun way to, just get some stuff built up, get your stash built up. And you could actually make little buttons. This is just an improv right here. I'm just going to take one of these. No, that's the same size, so I can't. Yeah, it's the same size. Wonder how it would look with a big circle punch. Sometimes this works and sometimes it doesn't. You know what? We'll use a different one. No, I'm not even going to take out another one. I'm just going to stick to what I was already doing. But I was going to say maybe you could make like little buttons. Maybe you could even put like doodle on it. And create your own little shape or something. Just put like a little circle. Make some of these. It just now came to me. But yeah, this just take little book pages and just create your own little things. And they're flat, but you can make them look like they're bigger than flat, you know. And if you wanted to, you could, these little pieces that are coming from the hole punch, the little centers, you could probably glue it to one of these as well. You could probably glue it to the middle. You know, I didn't glue it, but that's what it would look like, you know. It's just an idea. Okay, well, there's our 10 minutes. So I'm satisfied with what we've got. I think I said that too fast, didn't I? Like, oh, hey, I'm good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And feel free to play along with us, and it's really fun. So thank you guys so much for watching, and happy crafting.